Hello friends, welcome back. So today we are going to talk about a stock which has a 50% potential from here. It's a real estate stock. For long I have not spoken about any real estate stock. So let us go in detail and understand about this real estate stock, how it is going to pan out from here and what are the future prospects. So stay till the end because this video will be very insightful and it will give you a multi-bagger stock for the future. So friends, welcome back. My name is Tapan Doshi. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my channel and let us go and start going. So the stock which I'm going to talk about is nothing but Loda. That is macrotech developer, and this macrotech developer stock is been at a lower side, which is around 910 level. It has fallen from almost 1500 level, and it is available at a quite cheaper valuation compared to its earlier high. So let us understand first why we should go for these stocks. So let us take one by one. So guys, talking about Loda developers. Now, first we have to understand why we want to invest in this stock. So some of the rationale behind the investment I am going to talk about. First is the result for the quarter for financial 23 was very good. Okay, it is given a very strong all-round performance in quarter for financial 23, and that you have to keep in mind. Again, the various targets which they have set for themselves, no, that they achieved. So whatever they had a target in terms of revenue, sales, pre-launch and everything, they have actually surpassed their guidance, and that is a very good thing. And this is why the analyst world is quite bullish on this stock. So they have pre-estimated that they will have a rupees 14,500 crores of no pre-sales, and that they achieved, and that is nothing but 20% year-on-year growth. So that's a very good growth. Again, the market share also, if you talk about that, the market share actually gone up, and they are going to target about almost 20% in pre-sale by financial year 23 to 26 estimates. See guys, understand, Loda developer along with the DLF, they are the largest real estate house in this India, and Loda is having a quite a big issue, particularly in Maharashtra. They have a big name. Of course, DLF is having a big name in Delhi side, Gurgaon side, but yes, at a Maharashtra level, yes, Loda is having a big name, and that is why no, this is having a premium segment, and they actually cater to much more HNIs. Of course, affordable housing is also that, but yes, because of the past track record, no, the company is quite solid and there's a quite good history about no delivering the schemes and everything on a right time. Now let us talk about the valuation and all that. But yes, valuation, talking about valuation, as I told you, it is at least 50% from here, and that I am going to talk in detail when we come to the valuation slide. But yes, I will tell you the how the estimates is going to happen in next 2 years and what I think about this stock from here. Now let us take other positives. So what are the good performance scenario from here? Now talking about revenue, the revenue recognition was better than expected for the Loda developer. And if you talk about quarter four financial year 23, and that is because they have done a very good delivery. See, in construction, delivery plays a very big role. Even if you take fund from the public and no home buyers and everyone, you have to deliver on time, and that focus always need to be kept. And Loda is considered one of the best developers who are delivering on time, sometimes before the time, and that is what you have to understand. That shows the confidence of home buyers on part of Loda also, because they are having a good brand name and also they are delivering on a right time. Again, as I told you, the pre-sale was very good. So quarter four pre-sale was almost rupees 3,000 crores, which is very good, aided by new launches and collection of almost rupees 2,900 crores. So basically, because of the track record, the way they have performed over the years, now the buyers are having confidence in this Loda developer, and as a result, even the pre-sale scheme is doing very well, and which is why they were able to sell around 3,000 crore in quarter four only. Again, talking of the main purpose in the real estate company nowadays is to deleverage. Guys, understand, earlier all these real estate companies were having high debt in their balance sheet. That's why in past, no, people were not buying real estate companies much more. But now what has happened, the table has turned. Now the real estate company is actually realizing that yes, we have to cut down at the debt level, and that is what the Loda is also doing. So talking about deleveraging, no, Loda is actually planning and having giving a guidance that they will net debt goes down to almost 7,100 crore. Now this is very very less, and for that I'm going to show you the chart also. So that target is nothing but to debt to equity ratio target is nothing below 1, to bring from debt to cash operating cash flow level, and again 0.5x for the debt to equity, which is very very good ratio, guys. Understand, at a construction level, at a real estate level, your debt will always be on a higher side, but here they are taking steps to bring it down at zero point 0.5 level, and which is very good. So talking about that only, if you can see this chart shows that over the quarters and quarters, see how it has come down. So if you can see it, that earlier it was around 160 by quarter for financial 21, which is gone down to almost 70.7, which is what I told you around, no, that 70 100 crore they want to bring it by quarter for financial year 23, and that is what they have brought already. So almost less than half they have done within a span of 2 years, and that is giving a much more confidence to the investing community that yes, Loda will perform quite well over from here also. Correct. Now let us talk about future launches and development. So they were planned launches of almost 1.06 crore square feet and new business development of 17,500 crore in financial year 24. Now this is a big target, and that is what they are keeping a big target for them, because they want to surpass their earlier achievements and everything. And this is what it shows, that they have a confidence that yes, the cash flow will be there, that schemes will be actually will be very well welcomed by the home buyers and everything, and economy is going to grow at the end of the day. Correct. So Indian economy is going to go from fifth largest economy to third largest economy in 10 years. So all these real estate company will also do well, whoever are there in the premium segment. Okay, so they are having a good, and again guys, understand, if they are reducing the debt and everything, this shows that yes, their operating cash flow and all that is going to be there over the years. When the company has that type of confidence, that type of confidence will come only when you have no confidence that yes, in future whatever schemes I am going to launch, it is going to sell out completely, and it will give you a much much better prospects through the company. Correct. Again, the pre-sales performance, healthy pre-sales were aided by strong launch activity. So they spend on the marketing and everything, and because of the brand and everything, whenever the launch is happening, they are getting a very very good response from the home buyers. That is, and again, that Mumbai is always a premium segment, and even in Maharashtra. So whenever the launches are happening, they are having a very good response, and again they are taking a benefit of charging additional premium also. Now, if you talk about segment contribution, almost about 60% of sales in financial year 23 came from the affordable segment. So basically, they are also having an 60% of their segment is nothing but the affordable segments, where they are launching affordable homes for the home buyer. Cash flow, again guys, this is also very important. They are targeting almost 60 billion, is nothing but 6,000 crores of operating cash flow by financial year 24. Now this is a big figure for a real estate company to have a positive cash flow. It's a very very important thing, and this is what the company is trying to achieve over the years, by reducing the debt, by reducing the no the delivery period. Okay, the launches and everything, pre-launch having a good, again delivering on time, schemes delivering on time will also give the remaining payment from the home buyer. So it is quite the way they are operating, it's very good, and that is what helping to have a good cash flow. Again, they basically issued a bonus share, and they have approved a bonus share of almost 1 to 1 nation, declared the dividend of almost rupees 2 per share. Correct. Now that is what, no, they are basically getting a good profitability. Now they are giving big to shareholder, and again they are planning to have at least 20% of PAT as dividend in future. Now when a company can give you 20% PAT, and again this is we are talking about a real estate company. A real estate company can give you this type of PAT as dividend only when they are confident about their strategies, they are confident about the future housing segment, demand and everything. They know their schemes will perform very well, and at that time only you can get this type of dividend. So these are all positive about the company. Now let us go and check about how the company is going to perform at a financial level and what are the forecasting. I'm going to show you the forecast about that. This is nothing but the sales. Okay, now talking about the revenue only. If you talk about the revenue, it has gone from 54,486 crore to 92,332 by 23 94,000, but in 24 estimate. Now, this year only, it is around 115,000 crores. A very good thing. And again, 148,000 crores maybe in the next 25 estimate, and 26 estimate is planning at a 2 lakh crores. So talking about adjusted EBITDA, if you talk it, the EBITDA earlier it was around 31%. It has gone up by 36%. Then even, however, by 24 this year it will be around 35. But in next 1 or 2 years they are going to increase to 39%. Now this is a very good sign. What it shows? It shows that they are working on their costing part also, and that is why they are able to give you high EBITDA, and this is a positive for the company. The complete financials, talking about the complete final guys, if you see here, the as I told you earlier that net sales was around 94,000 2023, which will go to 150 to 148 to 2 lakh. So there is a good jump of more than, you can say that more than 25-30% over the years jump in the sales part. EBITDA, as I told you, their margin is going to go up from almost 36% to almost 39%. And as a result, if you can see here, there is a good growth in EPS level and income level also. So you can see at 22,653 at a net income will go to 36,000 and 51,000 by the 2026 estimate. Will go from 47 to 75 to 10. It shows almost 40% jump. Okay, to the next year another 30 to 40% jump another next year. And free cash flow will also, as I told you, that they are planning to have a almost 3 million of cash available, and that is what they are working on. It the free cash flow, you can see 29,754 to 36 to almost 68,000. Now this shows that they are having a very good free cash flow for the future also. Talking about debt to equity, see earlier 2021, as I told you earlier, real estate company used to have a very high debt to equity, which was 3.5%. Then it has gone to 0.9, 0.7. Now currently it may go to 0.5. That is what they are targeting, and it will go to 0.4 by 25 to 0.3 by the another 2026 estimate. Okay, so net debt to equity will go to almost 0.1. Again, ROE guys, this is very important, that 2023 it was 13.4. Again 24 estimate is 16.4, then to 21.6 to 24.5. So there is a big jump in ROE also. Now you know that ROE should be at least 15 and 20% and above, and this gain next year it will be more than 20%. Even currently it is above 15%, and it is a very positive thing you have to keep in mind. Even book value, it is going to go up only. ROC also it will be around 15% and above, so that is a very good sign. Yes, the overall the growth aspects at a financial level also will be very good, and this give me a confidence that yes, the stock will have a good rise from here, at least more than 50% from here also. It is around 910 level, but it can, and the top was around 1500 level, but it can easily surpass its top by next 1 or 2 years, the way the things are going in. And if the market recovers, this stock will also recover good. Now before we end, now let us go and understand about the chart also. As no, earlier the macrotech developer, when it actually came after IPO, it has had a very good run. At that time only it hit 1500 level, then it was a little bit down level. But currently if you see here, it is creating a very good base, and this base is created, and I think from here it will have a good jump from here. And that is what I think. Yes, there is a chance of going down, but the chances of going up is much better because the results are coming good, and that is giving me a confidence that yes, that even the indicators and everything is showing that yes, micro debt developer can have a very good chance of going up from here. So friends, after seeing both fundamental and technical, at least I can give you an possibility chance that yes, macrotech will have a good run from here. Even you can analyze the stock by your end. The way I've given you is the based on the what information I have, and after doing a lot of research. But you can do your own research and you can find it out. But yes, it's a very good stock to invest. So guys, hope you like this video, and if you like it, just type yes in the chat box, and also in the comment box tell me whether you have any other real estate stock in your kitty or not, and which stock you want to analyze from here. Then I may take it that stock in future. And I always seeing your comments, I'll do reply your comments. And if you want to learn more about the fundamentals of the company, the link is given of my next workshop. You can click that link and join our masterclass, because we are going to talk about a lot about how to value these type of companies and how to select a multi-bagger stock. So stay tuned, do subscribe and like this channel. Okay, and I'll see you soon in the next video.